What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys once again for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of the trades that I made. Slow day for me, as it has been. We're in that summer kind of grind, but it's all good. So today we're going to be ending the day at about $500 profit. Two trades. I made one trade here with Roku. Initially, I was actually thinking to short this in this period because I was like, well, this kind of looks like a bear flag, but I kept watching people sell into it, and just wasn't breaking down. So at that point, I'm like, well, maybe it actually kind of wants to squeeze up. So I anticipated we might go through a dip buy and squeeze all the way up back to previous highs. Didn't happen, but I ended up getting long 1,000 shares. I made $150. We got long 1,000 shares. This candle at 103.32. Sold 800 shares on this push up at 103.52, and then took off the last 200 shares, at break even at a stop loss. So I ended up taking home $150. Is that the amount of money you want to make on a trade like this with that many shares, with that much money on the table? No, it's not, but it is what it is, and you take what you can get. But going in where we were at 103.32, if it had done what I anticipated, maybe squeeze up all the way back to these opening candles at 104.40s. I mean, you'd be looking at a 9, 8, maybe $1,000 trade. So not a bad trade there if it would hit the price target. But it ended up being one of those trades where you get in, does what it needs to do, but it's not the right position to take, and it just slowly kind of fades out on you. So ended up taking that off, but made $150 on it. CVS was the next stock that I traded. CVS was up today pretty big. Some good news out there on it, and so it's running up. I'm like, well, the whole time, and I'll show you here. Excuse me, wrong one. Let me show you this RSI here. Right, the whole time that Roku was moving up in this period, going up, the RSI was trending down the whole time. So all of pre-market trading, CVS is just going up. And the whole time, the RSI is just, the momentum's dying down. So, I told myself as soon as the market opened, I'm like, the likelihood that this will be able to sustain this upward move with dying momentum is pretty unlikely. So, probably should short that, which I did. I didn't catch the top here, but I got short 1,000 shares at 59.47, which was like at the bottom of this candle, kind of playing this breakdown here. So I'm getting short at 59.47, and then I covered up 800 shares at 59.07. Right? Yeah, 59.47 short, covered shares up at 59.07 and 59.03. And then I stopped out my last 100 shares at 59.52, resulting in a trade of $353. So not bad, pretty decent little trade there. Obviously, would have liked more if it would have broke down more, but we got what we got, and just is what it is. So we're looking at a $500 profit day. It's not bad by any means. Of course, you always want it to be more, but the small wins, sure enough, they will add up as long as you're keeping your losses down. And that's really what we've been doing. For this whole week, it's been just small gains. I think it was 300 Monday, 300 Tuesday, made like $40 yesterday, and then I made 500 a day. So just kind of grinding out wins right now. Haven't really hit any really big guys recently, and that's okay. It's completely fine. So I hope you guys learned something new from the video, and as always, take care, and I will see you guys on the next one.